So, good day, everyone. My name remains Bless FS. There are just actually two things that is keeping me in this forest industry and that is keeping me going. And it will keep me going if I keep on saying those two things. Now, the first thing actually is belief. I believe that I can do it. I believe that I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. And since I believed that this thing is going to work for me, this thing is working and it will work, it has been working. So that was my first belief. Then my second belief is the progress. I be I as I'm seeing the progress, yes, as I'm seeing the progress, as I'm seeing the growth, each day I'm growing because I'm putting in work. If in as much as I'm not putting highly work, I'm putting in work and I'm seeing the growth. Do you know that a little dropping of water make mighty ocean? So I'm seeing the growth. So I will continue. Those are just the two things that are keeping me. And I think it should be the two things that also keep you. Yes. Now, I want to share my thoughts. I'm going to show you guys the analysis I've made over the week, the last week. Yes. What is today date? Today date is today is 21st. Yes. Last week, today is Sunday morning. Last week, what happened was that I I told you guys that I'm not going to fund that little money again as $10. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to buy a Profem account. So I tried to get a Profem, but I don't want to just rush and get it. At the end, I will get the one that will make me feel bad. Maybe after passing it, they will find one or two rules to blame me. I hate that kind of thing. That was why I said I will not get a Profem before now. But I I've actually concluded on the one to get this week. That's um this week I'm going to get a Profem. Last week I was just searching on the one. I'm just being careful searching, asking questions, and they told me. But if you also know any Profem that is good, you can comment it in the comment section. Tell me any Profem that is good. But aside that I was waiting, though I did not fund, but I was analyzing for my friends, the friends around that believe in Forex and believe in me. I was analyzing for them, and it was going well, though some did not go well, some went well. And I'm going to show you guys the trades. Yes, this one is the jump 75. Now, I analyzed it. The trade I analyzed last week. Oh, when I mean last week, um, 17, 18, 19, 20. I also analyzed good. Don't worry, I will show you guys. Let's keep going. So this one is jump 75 of recent. Analyze it. It went my way but took me out. It took us out. The reason is because I did not put my essay at the last point of evaluation. So I learned from that. I did. Um, that was that. Then the same page, jump 75, I still analyzed a set on that same page. I sent it to my friends. Yes, I may not show you guys the chart when I sent it. I sent it to my friend. She took it. This trade took me out from this place, from my trading view, but did not take her out. It did not take her out, and she made profit on that. So during as we the trade was running, I saw another entry on this, and I decided to enter. So like to send the signal to her because I did not fund my account. And I sent this trade to her. She took it that midnight. That was just yesterday. What I'm showing you is just yesterday trade. I will show you the the Friday, Thursday, Tuesday, just like that. So this morning, no, not this morning, that midnight, I saw that the trade is already moving, but she has slept. So I did not like disturb her. But this morning when I woke up, this is what happened. Like I was just kind of shocked. Like what? So I was surprised that what happened? What made this trade? You see, so she only took only one TP on this. The other one took her off because price happens. Oh, yeah. But you see, the analysis is working. We analyze that it's going to sell and it's sold. But the main thing is to eat TP, not by just selling without eating TP. But we thank God she made profit out of it. Ehen. So that is that. Then this one is volatility 75. Guess what? This volatility 75 is so amazing. This V 75 so amazing. So I'm so impressed with this. I'm so impressed with this. Now I was waiting for this. If I After analyzing this, what day was that, self? I think it was Tuesday or so. Analyze it. It moved, and um, I sent it to somebody, one of my friends that knew about this trading stuff too, and he said that okay, it has run off, like it will not trigger again. So what happened was that I still left it there. I still sent it to that my friend that she should take it. So um she left it for days, like on the 17th, 18th, 19th, we're still waiting for it. So I still analyze a buy. Um I analyze a buy on the trades too, and the buy went our way. We analyze a sell and it went our way. And this buy, I was waiting for it. This this buy, before the buy entered, the sell, the sell of 17th, the date of 17th triggered because I told her not to like close it. So it triggered. And as it was still going our way, I still find another entry on that sell. So see, what I want to tell you guys is that if you believe in yourself and you follow your strategy, you are not going to regret. You see the progress now. There is progress no matter what. If you keep on pushing, keep on going, you will see progress. It's not when you will just maybe eat two or three essays, say this thing is not working, maybe your mentors are deceiving you, all of that. No, just work on yourself, believe. Other people that are doing it, have you sat with people that okay, this guy made really real money from it? Then that should give you a good hint that this thing works. So I analyze the sell, and it's still, but I did not give her this sell, the second sell. She did not enter it because that was night. I did not send I did not send anything to her. But the buy, she entered. And when this buy triggered, I told her to, because that is counter trading. This market is already is a bearish market. It's a bearish market. It's a downtrend. It's downtrend. So I told her to set BE because I don't want her psychology to be fucked up. So I told her to set BE on this particular trade so that if anything happen, she will still have her money. So she set BE. That a little reverse. There's a little reverse that happened there. It took her off, then still went away. She was not happy about that. But look at what the trade did. This morning, trade that we enter since 17th. Do you get? So also patient is the key in this industry. Patient. You just have to be patient. Be doing your own thing, believe in yourself, and just be following it. Yes. So this one is GU, GBP, JPY. If you see this analysis now, you can take it, analyze it since 4 days ago. It's still playing out, but the market is has closed since Saturday because this is currency pair. Now it has closed. This is currency pair. So on Monday, that's tomorrow, 12 a.m., the market will open. So I believe in this. I believe that this will hold. So you can also take it if you see it before then. Volatility 100. I analyzed this volatility 100. I did not enter it though. I did not enter this volatility 100. I told you I did not fund. I did not also send it to anybody. I just said, okay, this will sell. And where I marked out is sold. It's sold down, down, down. Though I did not screenshot that part. Yes. And this is volatility 50 is 50. I actually counter traded here. So that's why it did not go my way. And it just triggered a bit and still went to loss. Yeah. So you see, there is progress. You just believe in yourself. The strategy is working. When you have a good amount of money in your account, what will happen is that just risk 1% out of that amount and they'll be taking it. I'm telling you, if you take 10 trade, how many trade do we take? More than 10. And how many went our way? We just fade like two or three. Do you get? So this is the V50 now um, that will did not go our way. But aside that, so like what I'm telling you people about now, just believe in yourself, believe in your strategy, and risk what will keep you long in the market. That was why I said I will not actually fund directly again. I'm going to buy a prop, and after getting that prop, I'm going to be risking 2%. Yes, I'm going to buy a 10K account that the evaluation is going to be maybe if I the maximum loss should be 10%. That means is 1K. So if I'm risking 2%, that means I'm risking $20 each. And arrow should be five arrow. So $20 to get 100. That's fair enough. And you cannot even lose 50 times at a row. It's not possible. So you still be in the market on a steady. So that's what I want to try out. Very, very okay for that. Good. This good. I actually analyze this good, like what I said. Or I actually like last week Sunday, I analyzed SAUUSD. I said it's going to sell, and it actually sold. This is it. It sold. If you're actually following good, you will see that it actually sold. So next week, that's from tomorrow, because we're already in new week. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow, let's see what good we do. I think it will a bit sell buy before it starts selling, but I've not seen any entry in that angle. So I will just leave it. You don't have to frustrate. You don't have to force anything. You just have to follow your strategy, and even though you eat SL with your strategy, still follow it. Like five, we took SL on this morning. Imagine I follow my strategy and it still went off and still went our way. So you don't force it. I even checked this morning. Took why did I take loss in this trade? Why? I've checked and I have not actually seen the main reason, but maybe I'll call my mentor and ask him because I follow the strategy. So the best thing for us now is to follow the strategy, follow the bias, stick to your risk to your reward, finish, stick to your arrow. Don't panic. and risk what you can afford. So thank you guys. From next week, I will start showing you guys the prop. I just pray I get it and start reading it so that you guys will see how it's going. Thank you. Keep on following. If you have anything, any question to ask, you can ask in the comment section. And if you want to, if you have anything to say, just say in the comment section. From there, I will see it and know how far we will go. Thank you. God bless you. I love you all. Bye.